Hello, welcome to A Big Box, presented by Little Pine Education. The best phonics stories ever, Level B, number 13. What do you think is in the box? Make a prediction. First, let's read the short vowel words. Nick, grandma, big, box, mom, bat, mitt, went, tell, Jim, picks, sent, and his. Challenge words, also grandma, that's a long one, happy, and friends. Nick saw a big box. What is in the box? He asked his mom. Open it and see, she said. It was from his grandma. There was a bat and a mitt. Nick was so happy. Now he and his friends could play ball. He went to tell his friend Jim. They took some picks and sent them to his grandma. That's the end. I hope you enjoyed that story, and I'll see you again next time.